Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products, they are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product or gadget, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So let's see these cool hacks in organizing cleaning hacks we've got in this video. We've got this electric cleaner you can use for the floor. We've got this one you can use for cleaning your carpets. It's really helpful. We've got these mats, and we've got this mobile small chair you can use for doing the housework. This is another cleaner. You can use this one for the corners. This is a square mop. You can use it for mopping the floor. It's really cool. It makes mopping easier and fast. We've got these kitchen tools. She's preparing something. This is a brush you can use for cleaning your toilet. We've got this tool you can use for your toilet, and this small trash bin. This is a rack where you can put your sandals. We've got these dispensers and this folding wallet you can use for glasses, and this box where you can put your masks. This is another clip. Let's see what this lady is gonna do. She's gonna unbox her products. This is the package. It's really a big one. We'll see only. You can also put your cutting board there. This is a small sponge you can use for cleaning your stuff. This is this cleaner again you can use for the corners. Let's see what's in this bathroom. We've got this plastic shelf, and this one. This is another one you can use for organizing your shoes. This is another one. We've got this sponge you can use for cleaning your sink and tap. This is a juicer. You can use it for making orange juice. We've got this tool you can use for making eggs. In her apartment, she has some new products. This is the package. We've got this grinder. This is a shelf. It's a plastic shelf you can use for your sandals. This is an armchair. It's a small one. It's really convenient. You can use it in your bedroom. We've got this folding plastic washing machine. It's really convenient. It is small. You can use it anywhere. And you can also take it with you anywhere. It's really amazing. see what's in those boxes. This is a small tile. We've got this hanger you can use for these tools, and we've got these compressing baskets or bags, plastic bags you can use for your clothes. We've got this mop thing you can use for the floor. We've got this electric cleaner you can use for your sheets. This is another beautiful flat. Is for cat food. So that's all we have in this video. If you want to see many more gadgets like these, just check my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.